hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Thank you all so very much for supporting my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up as well. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to group rows and columns in Excel. I have a table over here with region, units, and sales on separate columns, and I have 3 countries under North America, 3 countries under South America, and 3 under Asia as well. I would like to group these countries under each region together. In order to do so, first I will need to go to Data and then select the countries that I would like to group together. Now, then click on Group, which will give me options to group under rows or columns. Since I am grouping the countries together, I'll click on Rows and then click on OK. Now, on the left side of the Excel sheet, you'll notice that this line along with minus sign has appeared. If I click on the minus sign, you'll notice that the countries now have been grouped together, and you can expand on clicking the plus sign. Similarly, I would like to group Brazil, Peru, and Argentina under South America, and I'll follow the same steps. Click on Group, click on OK. These 3 countries have been grouped together as well. Similarly, for Japan, India, and Indonesia, I'll do the same. Click OK. These 3 countries have been now grouped together as well. Also, we can create a larger group by selecting all of the rows and then clicking on Group and then clicking on OK. Now you'll notice that these countries along with the regions are a big group under which these 3 are now the subgroups. Also, to ungroup, what I will do is select the countries and regions together and click on Ungroup. And then since this is already selected rows, if I click on OK, now the bigger group has been ungrouped. Similarly, selecting these together and ungrouping will ungroup all of these subgroups. But if you want to just ungroup one of the subgroups, you'll need to select the rows which you want to ungroup and then click on OK after selecting the ungroup. Now, these 3 countries now have been ungrouped. Similarly, I'll go ahead and ungroup these as well. OK. Click on these, select those, and then click ungroup. Those have been ungrouped as well now. If you want to group the columns together, you'll need to follow the same steps. Here, I would like to group units and sales together, and then I'll click on Group. Now this time I want to group the columns together, so I'll click on Columns and click OK. Now you'll notice that these 2 columns have been grouped together. In order to ungroup, you'll need to do the same steps. Select Ungroup, click on Columns, and then click OK. Now these columns have been ungrouped. Hope this video helps you all. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Thank you all so very much. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.